Hi guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. So today in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can install ES File Explorer on Amazon Firestick device. So this is very useful and simple step-by-step video for every Firestick user. Make sure to stay with me till the end and that you don't miss anything. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to press home button for 3 seconds from remote control, and here as you can see settings option, then click on it. Now scroll across, find my Fire TV option. Once you have find my Fire TV option, then click on it, then open developer option, then click on apps from unknown source, turn on. Now press remote home button, and here as you can see search icon above the menu, click on it and type here ES File Explorer. Once you have typed ES, then suggestion below ES File Explorer, then click on it. Now click on ES File Explorer app, then click on download button. So the downloading will be start. So the ES File Explorer has been downloaded. Then click on home button from your remote control. Now again remote home button, press for 3 seconds, and here as you can see apps option, then click on it. Now scroll across and open ES File Explorer. Agree, permission allow. Click on close button above the left side. So I hope this video was really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any question then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.